Well, anybody that follows me will know that I've been, like a better word, reverse engineering this product for quite some time, like 4 to 5 years. Um, and I had been selling them for quite frequently the last couple of years. CNC cut, and then marrying grill material to the product, which basically, I mean, it delivers, but I just wanted to get away from actual hands-on time. So I built this 3D printer, oversized, 32 on the Y, 16 on the X inches. Um, but in the meantime, mechanically it's done. Um, the firmware needs to be built basically, and I have yet to get to that. So in the meantime, I decided to go the belt printer route. Uh, kind of a game changer for me. There you have it. First prototype